Hello there, it's me, the Video Kid, and today we're going to be taking apart this VHS tape. So first, we need to flip it over. Take out this screw in the middle. This isn't really a tutorial video, but I don't know, it might help you. So yeah, one screw gone, another screw right there. And then another screw right here. You don't have to worry about where the screws go, since they're all the same size. And then a screw in here. And then the last screw in here. So yeah, there's 5 screws. Alright, so we got all the screws out. Let's flip it. Yeah, you see that it opened. So on this side where the little button you press to open the door at the top, press that and pull the top off. Just like that. And then, look, we can take out the film strip. Like an old film strip gone bad. So yeah. Now let's put, whoops. Okay. Now let's put this top back on. Make sure it just looks good and it doesn't have any openings. But you have to put the screws in so it doesn't just keep coming disconnected. So put all the screws back in. Okay, there, I got all the screws in. So, yeah, this is VHS with no film inside it. And if we put it in a player, it'll just spit it back out. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, if this video helped you, then I'm glad I could help. Bye.